Good morning, everybody. I'm going to try to get my Jeep, hopefully my phone can do it, to hear the piston slap that happens. I'm going to try listening to it from the inside first. What you're going to notice is when I first start it, the RPMs are going to be about 1,000 RPMs. Then as they come down, you're really going to start to hear the piston slap. Then I'll try jumping outside and seeing what we can hear underneath. That mileage is not correct. I believe it has a lot more than that on it. Some of the noise you're hearing right now is my throwout bearing. If I push the clutch and it goes away. That's the throwout bearing noise. And there comes the piston slap. That's what the clutch pushed in. So no throwout bearing noise. Clutch out. Piston slaps. That's pretty much it.